Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video where we will be speaking about the show Nganele. And I was thinking, you guys, I was thinking about Nhlanhla's family, how they have been giving him the runaround regarding the explanation about his mother, what happened to her, and why they even waited like so long up until like they told him the truth. And yeah, I just don't get to it, like why they'd wait for so long. Because even waiting up until a child is 18 years old is very old, you guys. Because people on the streets, they speak. So I was thinking, because this family has so much secrets and so much things that they hide from Nhlanhla, I'm even beginning to wonder, guys, do you really think the story is true of that Nhlanhla's mother passed on? I wonder, and I'm curious to know if the story that they are giving him matches the story that he was told on the streets, because Nhlanhla said in his diary session that there's a lot that he knows that they don't know, that there's a lot that he knows that his family thinks that he doesn't know. And that's why he keeps pushing for more, because I think there's a lot that he's been told on the streets that his family is not letting him in on. And I'm just thinking, what if, guys, what if Ukoko is actually Nhlanhla's mother? I know, guys, I know it's far-fetched, and I know, but what if Coco is actually Nhlanhla's mother? I don't know, like, I'm just thinking, like, of possibilities, because I don't know. I don't know why they'd keep it. I know they gave an explanation of the reason why they kept it away from him was because they didn't want him to reason. They didn't want him to ever feel like whenever they were disciplining him or doing anything that it would be because he is not, because his mother's no longer alive. But I'm thinking to myself, guys, like, Nhlanhla has never stumbled upon not even one picture of his mother. Nothing. Like, Nhlanhla has never ever stumbled upon, like, anyone, no one has ever made, like, a mistake about a conversation about, like, his mother. Like, no one. Hi, guys. Like, there is, like, was her death, like, that tragic that no one would ever, like, speak about her. There's no pictures. Because, like, Nhlanhla has never said it, but it doesn't seem like Nhlanhla ever had any sort of, he didn't suspect anything up until he heard something from the streets. So you're telling me no one even speaks about her? Like they forgot about her like that? Or they did that on purpose, like not to speak about us for the sake of Nhlanhla? But I'm just like, some things, you guys, they just, yeah, some things they just, I feel like the way, like it's kept like a secret so well for so many years. I just feel like there's more to it for people to be there quiet about something or someone, especially for Ukoko. Pela, that was her child. For her to be so silent about her child for so long, I don't get it, you guys. So I've just been thinking of what if Ukoko was actually Nhlanhla's mother. Because at this point, this family, like, I'm ready to hear anything. I'm willing to hear, like, anything. If they, at this point, if they come back and the story changes that who is Nhlanhla's mother, like, I wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't be surprised. Anyway, guys, please do tell me, do you think like what I'm saying is like a far-fetched thing? Or what do you actually think? If you do think it's a far-fetched thing, what do you actually think like really happened to Nhlanhla? And how possible is it really possible for a family like to be that silent and to forget someone who was their daughter and part of their family, like nje kanjalo? I don't know, you guys. Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.